Hello everyone, let's talk about how salt spray chamber benefits the automotive and aerospace industry. From rugged roads to high altitude skies, the automotive and aerospace industries operate in some of the harshest environments. Reliability is non-negotiable, but one common enemy threatens performance: corrosion. Corrosion weakens critical components, compromises safety, and shortens the lifespan of vehicles and aircraft. That's why a salt spray chamber is essential for these industries. The salt spray chamber simulates extreme conditions by exposing materials to a controlled salt mist. This testing method evaluates how well components can resist corrosion over time. Key benefits for automotive and aerospace. In the automotive industry, parts like frames, bolts, and coatings face rain, snow, and road salts. Aerospace components are constantly exposed by salty air, temperature fluctuations, and moisture. Salt spray testing ensures better material performance, long product lifespans, compliance with strict industry standards. With data from salt spray testing, manufacturers can refine designs, select better materials, and ensure that their products meet the highest safety and quality standards. This leads to fewer breakdowns, enhanced safety, and improved customer confidence in the reliability of their vehicles and aircraft. At Pacorr, we provide advanced salt spray testing solutions to help you deliver products that stand the test of time. Build trust, ensure safety, and outperform the competition. Learn more at www.pacorr.com.